Hi folks, I have good news for you. Databricks makes it simple to discover, run, and track Python unit tests right inside the workspace. You can now test through the testing sidebar, inline execution icons, and a result pane, all without switching tools. These features work only, of course, when you open a valid Python test file. Databricks recognizes files named using PyTest conventions, such as test_Python file or _test Python file. It identifies tests based on names that start with test, either as standalone functions or as a method inside class that starts with test. These classes should not have an init method, and they can include static or class methods marked with the proper decorator. Let's switch to the UI to show you how you can get started. You can see that I have inside this folder two scripts, the pricing.py that contains the function, and then we have the test_pricing, which contains, of course, the test. And automatically, Databricks detects that this is the testing file. You can see that I have a new icon over here called test. And what I can do, I can either run all the unit test pricing, or I can run class by class. So what I can do, I'm gonna, of course, click on run all tests. And after a few seconds, I will see which function passed the test and which function did fail. As you can see, the first one did pass successfully, the second one as well, and then let's see the third one. So it says that $50 should qualify, while it's not the case over here. So I can either click on diagnose the error to see how the assistant will be able to help me. So basically it says that the amount should be higher than or equal to 50. So let's fix this. The amount has been, subtotal, sorry. Okay, so it should be equal, and then let's run it. Now that everything is good, let's go. I have the option to run everything or run only the failed test. So let's run only the failed test and see whether it's going to be successful or not. Here we go. And you see the test was successful. And now it's very easy to do all your tests inside Databricks without leaving the UI. Thank you. See you soon.
In Lake Rise data seas, lake flow streams the flow. Iceberg and Delta Lake, tables aglow. Unity catalog governs lake base. OLT pay strong. Ginny texture SQL mosaic and KI prolongs. Yusuf and Quentin co-hosts like the fire. Gen dream scale higher and higher. Next gen, drop it.